Hi everyone, I hope you're doing fine today. Today we are going to learn about my farm, right? Are you excited to learn about farm? Yes? Good job. Okay, we're going to learn about farm. We're going to learn about fruits and vegetables, right? What do you see here? Do you see a farm? Look, there is fence, there is mountain, there is field, lot of grass. Look at her, she is watering plants, right? Can you see her watering plants? Yes? Uh-huh. Look at this farm boy. He's picking up all the vegetables and taking them, right? You see pumpkins, carrots, eggplant, corn, cabbage, radish, bell pepper, potato. We see everything, right? And see this farm girl. She has all the fruits and veggies inside, and she is holding a corn in her hand, right? And look at this son, so happy, right? And look at this. This is a farmhouse. Wow, so fun. Are you ready to play this puzzle? Yes? Do you know how we are going to play this game? Do you know how we are going to play this game? Yes? Okay. I'm going to tell you now what we're going to do. We have here all the vegetables and we have here all the fruits. We are going to match exact same vegetable over here, right? And here on this side we are going to match it with exact same fruit, and we are going to place it exactly on this. This is a puzzle game. It's a matching game, right? Are you excited to play a matching game? Yes? Good job, good job. Okay then, the pieces that we are going to match over here in this game. Okay? Ooh, look at this. So many different fruits and veggies. Wow, look. Wonderful. Wow, look. So many. We are going to go and match each and every over here. Are you excited to learn about vegetables and fruits? Yes? Okay. Let's start putting these ones over here first, okay? Oops, there's a bug. Let's place all the fruits over here. Let's line them first, so that's easy. And let's line all vegetables over here, right? Looks fun. See? We're doing pretty good job. Let's put this over here. Oh, this is fruit. We're gonna put this one here, and this is pumpkin, and this is a cabbage. Now let's begin this game. Are you ready? Okay, let's start with all the fruits. Do you know what shape is this? This is a square. It's a square. All the shapes, they are square shape, right? Good job. Okay, let's begin with strawberry. Do you see strawberry anywhere over here? Do you see this anywhere? Does this goes over here? Does this goes over here? Look, this, no. Look, they're different. They're not go over here, right? What about this one? Do you think this goes over here? Look, it doesn't go over here. This is a strawberry. It's red. Where is strawberry? Do you see strawberry? right? Do you see strawberry anywhere? Can you help me? Oh, look, it's over here. Wow, this is a strawberry. Let's put strawberry over here. We matched it. Look, good job. Let's go to the next one. We are going to find avocado, right? Do you see avocado? Can you help me? Oh, look. It's over here. It's matching. It's same. Let's put avocado over here. Wow, we matched it. Okay, let's go to the next one. This is an orange. It's an orange, right? Do you see orange anywhere over here? Do you see orange? Is this orange? Oh, this looks orange. This must be this. Oh no, it doesn't match. Look. What about this one? No, no match. Okay, let's see. Oh, we found it. Orange. Orange is right here. Look. Good job. Let's put this orange. They're same. So we're going to match it now. Right? Let's put orange over here. Let's go to the next fruit now. This is a grape. Do you see grape? Oh, right here. Grape is right here. Right? Good job. Let's put grape over here. Good job. We have strawberry, avocado, orange, grape. Let's find lemon. Do you see lemon? Lemon. Wow. We found it. Lemon, a yellow color, lemon. Right? Let's match it. Look. Goes right here. Good job. Good job. Let's go to the last fruit. Do you see fruit? This is a pineapple. So cool. Wow, look. It has sunglasses. Can you find cool pineapple? Oh, it's right here. This mister is right here. We caught it. We found it. This is pineapple. It has sunglasses. Look. Wow, so cute. Let's put pineapple over here. Good job. So we have strawberry, avocado, orange, grape, lemon, pineapple. Okay, now we are going to find vegetables, right? Let's start with this guy, this naughty guy. This is a tomato. Do you see tomato? Oh, we found this naughty boy. Look. Wow, this is a tomato. It's red. Let's put tomato over here. Same way, let's find another one. Where is let's go for the carrot. Do you see carrot somewhere? Oh, it's right here. Look. An orange carrot. So happy guy. Let's put him over here. Good job. Now we're going to find broccoli. Do you see broccoli over here? Oh, we found it right away. Look. So cute. Let's put broccoli over here. Good job. Let's go for the third one now. Look. So we have 1, 2, 3. Third one, this is fourth one. So tomato, carrot, broccoli, and pumpkin. Look, it's so happy. We are going to put pumpkin over here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go for this guy now. Can you see corn? Is this corn? No, this is not a corn. Oh, corn is right here. Look. This is matching. Let's put the corn right here. Good job. And this is the last one, cabbage. Look, naughty cabbage. It's a very healthy. Okay, let's put cabbage over here. We have all the vegetables and all the fruits, right? Let's go over it one more time. This is a strawberry. This is a avocado. This is orange. This is grape. This is lemon. And this is pineapple. Right? Okay, let's go for the vegetables now. Do you know what this vegetable is? This is a tomato. Right? This is carrot. This is pumpkin. This is broccoli. This is cabbage. This is corn. We did it. We did it. Good job. Good job. We learned today about my farm. We learned about all the fruits over here and all the vegetables over here. I hope you had a lot of fun, right? You sound like you had a lot of fun. I'm gonna see you next time. Until then, bye bye. Take care.